welcome back. So today we are going to do the drive assist. So in order to turn on the cruise control, you need to turn this on, and the screen will show cruise control mode. And with this button, you could change the dynamic range. Distance. So how far will detect the distance? So the car will automatically sense the car in front of you, so it could brakes for you or slows it down. Okay. And then the X button is to cancel the cruise control. And you need to press this down to set the cruise control at the what speed, and after that you could toggle this switch up to increase the speed 1 mile per hour, or down 1 mile per hour increment. Okay, I'm gonna set it right now. It's called adaptive cruise control. I'm gonna set it at 35. Now it says adaptive cruise control. I could increase it, the speed. Okay. The car in front of me. I'm not sure it's gonna slow it down or it's gonna crash. I don't think it's gonna spook. No. It doesn't know the stop sign like a full self-driving, so it's kind of dangerous. It might drive through the stop sign. So, and you just need to press the brake or press X to cancel the cruise control, or to resume it, you just press this up. See, it's go back up. What I said it before. Hey YouTube, welcome back. So I'm using the LUCID DriveAssist. It has been updated, so it's almost like a dynamic cruise control, but it has also an icon. See, the car just passed me. It's a Tesla, but the icon doesn't really match the vehicle. And then that's a Camry. So I'm using cruise control after I initiate the charge. So I'm getting like a 5.53 mile per kilowatt, which is pretty good. So yeah, so if you want to save your range, it's better to put in cruise control. Okay. So 65 miles is pretty slow. So right now it's like past midnight, so I'm okay with that. If any car want to pass me, they could pass me. So I had to jerk it.
After 1.5 miles, keep right.
If it detects that I'm not holding it, but actually I'm holding it. See my hands right there on the left side. There we go. So it doesn't actually drive for you though. It's almost like a cruise control, like almost like a lane keep assist. So I had to change to 91 freeway later, so I'm not sure how it's gonna go. It's gonna slow down or what?
After 3/4 of a mile, keep right towards Interstate 15 South.
So the car passed me. There's another Tesla, and then another car is going to pass me on the left hand side. So I'm going to change the signal, and it automatically changed the lane for me. Whoa, whoa, whoa! And then it turns off the signal by itself. The car coming on the left hand side. I was going to change the lane. it again. I'm gonna change to the left side.
After 3/4 of a mile, keep right towards Interstate 15 South.
And automatic change lane and see there's no car. So yeah, automatic change lane for you. So when there's no car surrounded by the freeway. So compared to Tesla, the full self driving,
Now keep right.
this is mainly probably like an autopilot. She says keep hands on the wheel to dismiss, gently nudge the wheel. So if I move the wheel around, it's gonna goes off, okay?
After 2.5 miles, keep left and then keep right.
Car coming, the hell. I think that one is drunk, driving on the lane, solid line. And a truck come, that's not a big rig, just a truck. It shows us a big rig.
After 1.5 miles, keep left towards Interstate 15, San Diego, and then keep right.
So I believe I need to change another lane. She's automatic change for me. Whoa. Take control now. What the? Something went wrong. It said take control now. So I'm not sure what went wrong there. Kind of dangerous then. Anyway, just a quick review about this
After 3/4 of
drive
a mile,
assist.
keep left towards Interstate 15. San
Hopefully you
Diego,
guys
and keep
give a
right.
thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace out. Going to Riverside. Yeah.